Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl La Viva. Okay, welcome once again. Today I'll be creating a cool makeup look. Plum smoky eyes plus pink glossy lips. Today I'm settling for cool makeup tones. Yes, and to start with I have to use the eyeshadow primer, to get the best out of my eyeshadow and to make it pop and come out really well. Now please, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button, and please check out my channel to watch my other videos, and please like, share with your friends. Thank you. Okay, now let's go ahead. Now starting with my eyeshadow primer, you can see I've done my brows, and starting with my eyeshadow primer. Okay, so after I'm done applying the primer, next time I'm going to be using my full powder brush. Now using my full powder brush, I'm going to be using that to apply my setting powder, my Girl Pro setting powder on my primer, because I want it to be matte and dry. I want to keep it lots, so just a little more. Okay, then the 5th edition PH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette to create that plum eyes. So I'm going to be starting with the plum eyeshadow color first. Now I will get that from this palette. I'll be starting with this color. This is plum. It's a bit dark. It's like a dark purple, like a burgundy color. It's close to something like that, like a deep purple. So I'll start by applying on the eyelids. This makeup's gonna look a bit smoked. Outer corner. Just watch how this whole makeup plays out. Got the plum. Okay, now after I'm done applying the plum, just going to blend it a bit here on the inner corner. Then I'm going to be using this small crease brush, and I'm going to use it to apply the black at the outer corner here, just to add depth to my eye makeup look. More definition. I need more definition. Watch how it plays out. Just keep watching. Swatch. Put them together. Neutral eyeshadow here, this color on the brow bone, top of the excess, yeah, just right here, using a small eyeshadow brush. Just a swatch. Blend it all together. The pink here at the inner corner here. Then just spread it all out. Inner corner here. My NYX Jumbo Milk pencil on my waterline. Okay. Down. And I'm just gonna blend it out here. Yeah. This eyeshadow color to the inner corner. where I extended out my white trimble pencil. Here, just here. Just to make my head just at the inner corner. Secret pencil. I'm just gonna smudge with the black here. Just apply a bit of black here. Just gonna blend. This is my smudger brush. We're gonna the plum I used first, I'm going to be applying it on the lower eyelid on top of the black liner. See the difference? Plum's eyeliner, clip matte liner to add some definition to my eyes quickly. I'm going to be applying my moisturizer from Kodak Cosmetics. L'Oreal liquid foundation. That's too much. Blend. Then I'm going to be applying my BH Cosmetics concealer and corrector using a little bit of the peach or the brown and then into my eyes. X contour and eyelid palette to contour my face using this shade, the darkest shade yet. I'm going to be using my Dead Eye Setting Powder to set my under eye, my lip area, my nose. Followed by a little bit of a brown pencil. classic. A lovely color. So right now I'm just gonna wipe off the excess setting powder. I'm done baking. Just gonna go ahead apply I'm just gonna go ahead to apply my highlighter. It's making sense. Okay, highlighter. Then I want to quickly apply my mascara underneath my eyes. That's the lower eyelids. My highlighter. Just on the spots. On the high points. Because I really have small, tiny eyes. So I like doing this. So I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna be applying my brush using my BH Cosmetics Glamorous Brush Palette. Apply this pink. Classic Cosmetics. Now this setting. Let's try. I love my makeup look. I'm loving it. You know, it's like just take your time and keep watching, and it may try to all make sense. Look at the plum eyes. The lips, I wanted to make it glossy, but eventually I settled for matte because I can see that I'm liking the matte, you know, look. Goes with the eye look, and it's looking nice. You know, plum was like a deep purple, so it goes with pink. You know, like pink and purple goes together. So that's why I settled for the color. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's tutorial. This is a full makeup tutorial. Plum eyes plus pink matte lips. Okay, I hope you love the look. I'm liking it, by the way. Yeah, thank you for watching, and please, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, and please just like my video. I'll be in the comment section waiting for you. So please, thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again next time, I'm your girl La Viva. Bye.